Mr. Pramod, you have a question. You can unmute and ask.
Yeah, thanks, Shekhar. Good morning, Dr. Rashi. While we speak on different batteries and smart batteries, recently even IIT Madras have worked upon on low-cost zinc air batteries. So, any more insights from those sectors, please?
See, like I just said, we need to have all of these technologies to come in very quickly. In a span of next 5 years max, that is today is now 2022, by 27, 28, we should see a lot more commercialization of newer technologies coming in. But of course, the price point and economies of scale will govern which one is going to rule the market segment, which will have the maximum market share. But there is something that I'd also like to add, that lithium ion is not going to go away anywhere. Just like
Okay.
how lead acid is going to stay for the next, it has completed 100 years, and another 10 years, 20 years, it's still going to stay. Same thing with lithium ion. Lithium ion is just going to reach the cusp of the life cycle, the top of the life cycle, and where it is going to be a cash cow now. So, so lithium ion is still going to remain, and a lot of innovations will still happen. Like if I just see, where we were on the price point to where we were in the terms of energy density, we have improved a lot. And same thing will happen with the other chemistries also. So whether it is zinc air, it is vanadium redox. In fact, very recently I just saw a new vanadium redox tech where they have reduced the footprint to literally half. So that is a very good innovation out there for long durations, and where you have a good amount of space available in terms of stationary domain, you can use that. It has come down to half. So this was a good. Over the period of time, every segment is working on these technologies to bring it better, because energy is something that we need to conserve in under any circumstances. So zinc air will come. Sodium sulfur is there. Very promising, of course. Some modifications if they can make in their tech, it is going to be very promising. Lithium ion, of course, is there. Then you can have vanadium redox or flow batteries coming in. You can have other technologies also coming in. This would make a lot of difference in the way how energy storage segment is perceived.
Just to be a little more specific, just in the rankings, the top three, okay, you say lithium ion will continue to stay in the race and it's going to be there.
Yes.
So, who are in the second and third position? Because you also spoke very nicely about the economy and the price point, which is very important to get into the productionization. So, if you can help us, which is in the second place and the third place, that will give us a good insight about the batteries, which is going.
That's a very difficult question out there. But then I'll still say, I think sodium makes a very good contender, and fuel cells make a very good contender for the second place. But the second place is still not given or granted to anyone as yet. So both of them make a very good second place contender, and third could be even solid state, because solid state is still a little far off from reaching the commercial in a production still. So that is my take. I mean, that's my personal take.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.